Welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas, located in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to say that this has been a very wet winter for us. That ride I posted last week remains the last one that I've done. We are exactly 3 times the rainfall that we had last year. It's a little bit of sun outside right now, but we've had intermittent rain showers running through, so it's curtailed the riding on anything. The Ducati remains at the dealership. Hope to get it back within the next couple of days. When I do, and weather providing, I'll slap a video of a ride up on that very quickly. But today, what we're going to do is unbox the latest generation of UClear Helmet Communicator, which promises to be quite a technical advancement over what I've been using for the last 4 or 5 years. And we're going to install it into the Shoei X helmet that I recently got, so I could ride the sport bike and have a little bit of a better view ahead. Anyway, stay tuned. I hope you'll enjoy a little bit of a technical roll with me here, and we'll get it installed, get it unboxed, and get it put in there. So stand by. Hello and welcome to the continuation of the unboxing of the UClear Motion 6 intercom set. I've been a UClear customer for a number of years now, probably going on about 5 years. The current unit that I'm using is their Amp Pro. In fact, I have a couple of them charging up right over here. I have a 2 helmet set there. And always been impressed with their products. The thing that first drew me to them, as I mentioned earlier, was the boomless mic. You don't have to have an external hardwired mic running around inside your helmet. Usually just get a couple of small leads. So let's dig in here and see what we've got, huh? Okay, saved you the trouble. Comes in the familiar Revzilla box. Here we have the box. I have saved you some time by already zipping it out. Here is the UClear Motion 6 boomless helmet communicator. Sorry about that, computer. In Bluetooth 5. Nicely packaged, nice and red. Let's take that out, put it aside. What else does Revzilla send you in the box, by the way? Well, you get a return label. I'm not too sure if you can return electronics, particularly once you've unboxed them. Not too sure about that. You get a "Hey, great motor relief org, Revzilla, help a veteran get back on the road to happiness and health," and of course some Revzilla stickers. And I have several of those. So we're not going to go any further into that. Boom. We are going to concentrate on this unboxing video. So this is the UClear 6. Going to adjust that just a little bit. This is their latest release. This has just recently been released. Phone calls, powerful music, Dynamesh group intercom. Works on all types of helmets, has buttonless gesture control. I'm going to have to learn all that before I try to act like any kind of an expert for you. And here's a sampling of the features: mesh intercom, easy button pairing, easy operation, gesture control, audio file, incredible high-def communication and music, ClearLink advanced mobile app, which I have on my phone, advanced communication features, multi-point compatibility, only universal use helmet communicator. Need more? How about? Well, maybe we'll need more. We don't know right now. So let's proceed to the unboxing here. So I believe one unboxes it like this. I may edit this part out to spare you my incompetence, but let's see what happens as we try to pull it out this way. Here we go. Let's take it out from the front and go. Voila. UClear Motion Series. So this is a new name for them, this Motion, and I believe we pulled this like this, and then that comes out.
Yes, Hercules Unchained here. Or maybe we go like this. UClear, tell us what we do. Tell us what we're supposed to do, UClear. Actually,
Maybe we go like that. Aha! There it is. The UClear. Beautifully done. A little more self-congratulatory advertising on this side. And then what's included in the kit here. The unit itself, Pulse Pro speakers, permanent mount, a new permanent mount, classic permanent mount, some temporary and cables, car charger, and a wall charger. We continue, open it up, again a little more information about it, and here, let's get it out of the glare, here is the unit itself. So we'll take that out. Yes, and we'll take this off. And this is the new look unit. It does look rather different to the older styles. Let me unplug this one over here and bring it over for comparison. The top one is the Amp Pro that I've been using, and the bottom one is their Motorcylce. Looks like the configuration has changed slightly. Not too sure yet about how and why, but we've got some buttons here, and here is the new USB port. Not too sure if you'll be able to see that, but there that is. That's a good thing because it angles downward instead of straight out the back like this one did. So may mean you can hide the cabling attached to it with a little more facility. We'll see about that as we go forward on it. But nice looking unit. Looks very space Buck Rogers-ish. Our more or less familiar looking speakers are in here. They look slightly different, but anybody that's worked with Helmet Communications devices, I think, would recognize the major components. Put that back there. Here are the boomless speaker extensions, the two speakers themselves. They look, they look very similar to what's gone on in the past, but they do look a little bit different. They do look a little bit up-armored, if you will. Here's the connector point, which will go in like that. Oh, I like that. I do like that, I must say. If you can mount it on the side of the helmet like that, that'll loop this wire down under your helmet very nicely. So I do like the way that first appears. The temporary mount, these little clips are supposed to go on the side of your helmet, mount it temporarily. Never have used those, so I can't comment. Here's the charging cable and the pads for the installation of the speakers inside your helmet. Take this out very quickly here, and we'll move it along. Let go. This doesn't appear that much different than previous chargers, so I don't know if we have frontward and backward compatibility or not, but it looks as if indeed they maybe not, anyhow. So there is the unboxing. First impressions are actually rather good. I like the look of this a lot. Very space age, of course. And I like the fact that the new connector is angled downward. I like that a lot. I like that that will minimize the amount of looping that you have to do with the cable as you sneak it back through your helmet. So we'll get on to that. Stay tuned, and in the near future, we'll mount that communication system. In the meantime, this is the unboxing of the UClear Motorcylce Helmet Communications System.